What is my account? My account can be found at the SJSU King Library's website on the top right-hand side. When you click on here, you can sign into your account under SJSU OneSearch Library account. It'll take you to this menu for you to sign in. This is where you're going to go ahead and type in your credentials and password. Once you have logged in, you'll notice here's my account, and it'll show your name on the top right hand side. And if you look over here, you see the different options under loans, request, fine and fees, blocks, and messages, and other personal details here. When you click on loans, it'll show any items that you have borrowed. Under request, any items that you've requested. Fine and fees will show you any fees you've accumulated. Blocks and messages, any messages that have been sent to you or if there's a block on your account.